Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys in class today. Here we learn and have fun, and I know you do love fun. If you do, I want to hear you scream. Today we're going to learn about the 8 times table. I will teach you how to master the 8 times table and recite it like a pro. To do that, the first thing you do is get a sheet of paper and write out the 8 times table. Let's do that now. So you have 8 times 1, that gives you 8. You have 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, you can write it out very fast. You have 24. 8 times 4, you have 32. 8 times 5, you have 40. 8 times 6, this will be what? 48. 8 times 7, you have 56. 8 times 8, this gives 64. 8 times 9, and that will be what? 72. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 11, that will be 88. Then finally, 8 times 12, you have 96. Then after this, I want you to memorize the first 4 sets, meaning memorize 8 times 1 to 8 times 4. Close your eyes and recite it to yourself without looking at your paper. Then after that, go ahead, memorize the next 4 sets, which is 8 times 5 to 8 times 8. Close your eyes, recite it to yourself. Don't look at that paper, okay? Be honest to yourself. If you were able to recite it to yourself without looking at your paper, then that shows that you know 8 times 5 to 8 times 8. Then finally, memorize 8 times 9 to 8 times 12. Close your eyes, recite it to yourself. If you were able to do so, then recite everything from 8 times 1 to 8 times 12. Were you able to remember it all? If you were able, that shows that you are now a pro, just like me. Alright, children, it's fun time. Now I'm going to, give you questions. And if you are the fastest to say the answer right, you'll be applauded by over 1 million students. Are you excited, children? Alright, let's get right to it. What is 8 times 7? I hear someone say 56. Clap for him, everybody. He's right, and he is the fastest. Okay, what of 8 times 12? I hear someone say 96. 96 is right. Clap for her, everybody. She's our new champion now. Okay, let's look at more questions. What of 8 times 4? I hear someone say 32. 32 is absolutely correct. Clap for him, everybody. Now, I'm so excited here because you guys are not just getting it right, but your speed is pretty good. That shows that you're already a pro in this game. Alright, let's look at the 7 times table. As a reminder, if you've not watched my previous video on the 7 times table, this is the time you need to go back to that video, watch, and come back to this competition. Now, what of 7 times 8? I hear someone say 56. 56 is correct. Clap for him, everybody. Now, let me give you a tricky one. What of 7 times 6? Did I hear 49? Oh no, 49 is wrong. 7 times 6 is what? 42. Clap for me, everybody. Alright, let's look at the 5 times table. What if I ask you about 5 times 8? What is 5 times 8? I hear someone say 40. 40 is correct. Clap for him, everybody. Now I'm excited because you guys could remember, the 5 times table that we did a long time ago. So I'm pretty excited because of that. Now, what of 5 times 6? I hear someone say 30. 30 is correct. Clap for him, everybody. Now let's look at the 4 times table. Can you still remember the 4 times table? Well, what is 4 times 11? Wow. I hear someone say 44. 44 is absolutely correct. Clap for him, everybody. All right. Going down to the 3 times table. What of 3 times 7? I hear someone say 21. Clap for her, everybody. She's correct. Now, what of 2 times 6? A boy said 12. 12 is correct. Clap for him, everybody. Then finally, what is 3 times 9? I hear someone say 27. 27 is the correct answer. Clap for him, everybody. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to like, subscribe, and share it to your friend. Like they say, good things are worth sharing. Bye.